A high court order has placed major limits on how businessman Raymond and his wife, Iris Coe, can start civil lawsuits. But the important point is not that they have completely lost access to the courts. They can still bring genuine claims. They must now convince the High Court that those cases should be allowed to proceed. The Attorney General had applied for both of them to be declared vexatious litigants. This legal label applies when someone repeatedly starts court action without reasonable grounds, often causing unnecessary trouble or expense for others. The judge declared Raymond a vexatious litigant. He cannot begin any civil court case without the High Court's permission. Cases he has already started also cannot continue unless permission is granted. Iris Coe was not given the same legal label. The judge found there was not enough evidence to establish a pattern showing that her cases were consistently without reasonable grounds. However, the court imposed a general civil restraint order on her. For the next 2 years, she cannot start new civil proceedings without permission. The court may extend that period. So, why did the court treat the couple differently? For the judge found that several proceedings appeared to serve purposes beyond resolving genuine legal complaints. In one defamation case involving the National University of Singapore, he described his loss as not receiving a settlement payment. The judgment also examined his artificial intelligence platform, GetEven.ai. Promoted the platform as a way for people to take action against those who had hurt them, charging $1,000 for its use. He also asked the public for donations towards legal costs. A TikTok sponsorship scheme reportedly invited people to support a lawsuit with the possibility of receiving returns. The judge found that legal action appeared to be Eng's preferred response to conflict, even where it was not justified. She also believed he likely intended to annoy some opposing parties. For Coe, the court considered examples where litigation was publicly promoted. During a 2024 application against the Health Sciences Authority, she encouraged viewers to support the lawsuit and make the related content viral. The judge said some of Coe's actions appeared intended to annoy or embarrass the other side. But suspicion alone was not enough to officially declare her a vexatious litigant. That distinction matters. Courts must protect people from abusive legal action, while also preserving the right to seek justice. A civil restraint order acts like a screening system. It does not automatically decide that every future claim is false. Instead, the court checks whether a proposed case has a proper legal basis before other parties must spend time and money responding. This protects more than government agencies or large institutions. Individuals and smaller organizations can also face heavy legal costs, stress, and reputational pressure when repeatedly drawn into court. The wider issue is how easily legal proceedings can become part of an online campaign. Social media can raise awareness and help fund legitimate cases. But when lawsuits are promoted as public entertainment, business opportunities, or pressure tactics, the line between seeking justice and using the court process for another purpose can become blurred. The judge said these orders serve the interests of opposing parties and help prevent abuse of court procedures. At the same time, Ng and Coe remain free to seek permission for cases involving genuine grievances. That balance is the key lesson here. Access to justice is important, but it does not mean unrestricted access to repeatedly place others through costly proceedings. Do you think requiring court permission is a fair safeguard, or could it make legitimate claims harder to pursue? Share your view below and support 2230 by liking this video, sharing it, and subscribing for more trusted news explainers.